Okay, I went ahead and I put just the sensor and the base back in. I removed the camera. I left the sensor off the top because I wanted to see if it helped improve its flight at all. And now we have auto takeoff. Seems to be hovering better, right? I mean, that's not drifting as badly as it was before. And when we press, that lands a lot better than if, like without that sensor. So, even if we land it manually, it lands better. Sorry, I'm a little backwards here. Yeah, the point is it's doing a lot better. See? Easier to control, easier up, easier down. Just that one little sensor makes all the difference in its operation. I mean, just all it takes is that one little sensor in the bottom. That one little sensor in the bottom makes all the difference in how it operates. You don't need the one on the top. You don't need the other cameras. You don't need any of the other junk. You just need that one little sensor, and it seems to do fine. You remove it, and it's a lot harder to control. I mean, it's a little fidgety. But anywho, that was an update about the drone flight and the sensors. So once again, like, subscribe. See you later.